welcome to my channel Knitting Kitty. A few months ago I made a tutorial for the super cute alien Stitch because my little daughter is mad about it. Last week she was invited to a birthday party. The birthday girl is a big fan of Stitch too, but she loves more Stitch girlfriend, the cute pink Angela. So I've decided to crochet Angela as a birthday gift. There was no need to make another tutorial. I've just used the same pattern I've used for Stitch, just had to change yarn colors. For Angela I've used two shades of pink, light pink and darker pink, and also I've used a little bit of purple color yarn for the nose. For the eyes I've used light pink and black yarn and also a piece of white felt. The size of Angela is the same as Stitch. She is approximately 12 cm tall. Here in the video will appear a link to Stitch tutorial. Just click it to see the video. Also, I'll put a link for Stitch tutorial below in the description so you can easily open it. Hope you like it.